If panoramic ocean views are what you desire, this turnkey two-bedroom, two-bathroom home in the gated community of Camelot Village, Discovery Bay, is the perfect choice. Set on one of the largest and most impressive lots in Camelot, this property offers not only breathtaking views, but also space and potential to expand rarely available in the community. Inside, the open-plan layout seamlessly connects the living, dining, and kitchen areas, complete with a breakfast bar, ideal for entertaining or relaxed family living. Both bedrooms feature ensuite bathrooms for privacy and convenience, while A and C units throughout the home provide comfort year-round. Step outside to the rear porch, where you can enjoy your morning coffee or evening sunsets, while the cooling sea breeze complements the spectacular 180-degree ocean view. The home comes fully furnished and ready to move into, making it a true turnkey property. Perfect for investors, vacation home seekers, or first-time buyers looking for a stress-free transition into their new home. Whether you're seeking a lucrative investment, a holiday retreat, or a forever home by the sea, this rare gem is not to be missed. Let's take a look inside. The price for this one is JMD $48,995,000. To view this property, the link is in the description for the agent. Subscribe to the channel for more video like this. Thank you.